just picked this up, and my son's going to take a look at it and see if he can figure out what it is. I got it for him for a specific reason. Let's see if he figures out what it's for. Let's not show him the instructions. It's empty. Okay, I can't get that open. So the actual is 2 pieces. Okay, wow, it comes with a lot of different hardware. So let me not show him the instructions. And this piece. Okay, so everything else is screws and stuff like that that are not part of the actual item. So, son, can you come on this side of the table? These are the 2 things that you have to look at, and you tell me what you think this is for.
Cups.
Cups?
I don't really know.
Okay, I said it's for you.
iPad stand?
No. It could be used, I guess, with iPads. Alright, this comes out. This.
Oh, then I really don't know.
This one here. Okay, so.
Because all I see is a ton of screws and this and
Alright, you can't figure it out?
this. No.
Alright, let's see if your mom will figure it out. My wife is with us, and now she's going to try to see if she can figure it out. So these are the 2 items. Do you know what this is for?
It looks like a cup holder.
No, that's what he said. It's for him. He doesn't need a cup holder. Specifically for him.
And then what's the other item? This
Are
looks
they
like a
2 separate?
microphone holder because I remember as a kid
That's the
having
small
a
one.
little microphone holder.
Let me take some measurements so people
Yeah,
know.
is that for
The
headphones?
handheld microphone
No.
holder.
But you're going to have to actually tell us a story behind this, because you know what this is for. You just don't know what this is for. Do you understand? You're going to go, oh, thank you, Dad. Well, let's hope you do. And then this little thing. So you nothing?
So is that a microphone holder?
No.
Okay.
I mean, it could be used as a microphone holder, but that's not what it's for.
No.
No idea.
But the bottom, the big one looks like a good, cool Art Deco cup holder.
There's a reason why it's clear. The reason it's clear is to let light in, and that so that you could see whatever you
You're
put
supposed to
in
clean
there.
your glasses?
Put a clock in there.
And it's for our son.
What? I don't know. A watch holder?
I'll give you a hint. Gift.
For his speaker, to put his waterproof speaker inside.
Well, this turned into a guess what the heck is it? Okay, I'm going to give you another hint. Both of you close your eyes. Okay, open them. What do you think it's for?
It's for my lightsaber.
Ah.
Because I am on the Force. You took this. I didn't know where you put it. I was looking for it.
Ah.
So what do you think it's for now?
To hold the lightsaber.
To put it up on the wall.
Well, I could take it down.
So you want
right?
to tell this? Yeah, you can take it.
Because I like taking pictures with that.
Yes, you can take it down. So, can you want to tell us a story behind this? You know, the friend gave it to you and stuff like that. Go ahead.
They couldn't bring this whiff done, so they gave it to me.
Well, it's a gift from a friend.
Yes. Very good gift.
Thought of you, knew you
Yeah.
liked Star Wars, but
Yeah.
we haven't mounted it.
Yes.
So the other day I was thinking about it. It'd be great to have this mounted. I'm sure that my son would love to see it, especially lit in the room. As you can see, it's pretty cool. You can see that.
Oh, don't scrape it.
That's pretty cool. And it's a really nice one. And it'd be nice if it was hung up. So we're going to put it up on the wall. He's
It's
going to help
plain
me
and
put it
simple.
up.
It's perfect.
Yeah,
And it's clear.
that's true, so it doesn't
So that-
distract from it.
So it's clear so that you can see the lightsaber.
Yep.
This is where we're going to hang it up. And I'm gonna fast forward this part.
Some info on item YYST Clear Star Wars lightsaber wall mount wall rack holder hardware included brand YYST cost $8.99. Purchased on Amazon website patented product for keeping lightsaber vertically displayed. Quantity 1 clear blade holder, 1 wall mount clip. Hardware included. Clear. Both the blade holder and the wall mount clip are clear. Does its job without being visually obtrusive. Before installing, please peel off the white film of the acrylic, which protects the acrylic from scratches. Then you will see very clear acrylic. Easy to take in and take out. Put your lightsaber into the blade holder and push the tip into the wall mount clip. Lightsaber not included. 5 pounds. The blade holder is very thick, which withstands up to 5 pounds. Screw covers included. The screw covers are provided to hide your screws. Product description. Package quantity 1. Easy to install. High quality. Beautify your living rooms and bedrooms. Product information. Package quantity 1. Package dimensions 6.02 x 5.35 x 3.35 inches. Item weight 5.1 ounces. Manufacturer YYST ASINB 07F58LXFP.
All done. Took, I don't know, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. And it looks great. I put it over the window and it's cool. It has that, all we need now is those type of posters from the 60s and 70s that used to give you that look. I forget, those posters that were made out of material.
It's amazing how well it lights the room.
They would glow in the dark, and you put this type of neon lighting. Wow, that brings back memories. It looks nice. I really like it. Let's look at it with the lights on. Now that's it with the lights on. It's great. It fits perfectly right where it is. If we had two, I would actually literally have put them one on each side of the window frame and turn them on. But it actually provides other type of lighting in the room. So it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Alright, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.